Okay, guys, let us continue with our factorization. Um, let's say now we are given this trinomial x squared minus 6x plus 5. Okay, let's say this is our trinomial. We are asked to factorize this one. Remember, I said that the general expression, it is given in what? In the form of ax squared plus bx plus what? Plus c. Okay? Whereby the a is the coefficient of what? Of x squared. The b is the coefficient of what? Of x. Then the c is our constant. In this case, we are given x squared minus 6x plus 5. So the coefficient of x squared is 1. The coefficient of x is negative 6. And then our constant is what? It is 5. Okay. So then I said that if you want to factorize a trinomial, you look for what? The factors of what? Of c, right? That when you multiply them, they give you what? The value of c. But when you add them, they give you what? The value of b. So in this case, our c is what? It is positive 5. And our b is negative 6. Okay? So that means we have to find factors of 5, right? That when we multiply, they give us positive 5. But when we add them, they give us what? A negative 6. So factors of 5, we know 5 is a prime number. So it has got only 2 factors. So factors of 5, it is 1 and 5. Okay, let us check them out. 1 times 5, indeed, it gives us what? A 5. But then now, 1 plus 5, it cannot give us what? A negative 6. So what do you do in this case? It's only true that when you multiply them, they give us what? C. But then when we add them now, they don't give us the value of B. So what do we do in that case? Let us try to introduce a negative in one of our factor. Let us introduce a negative in what? In 5, okay? Then now we need to check them. 1 times negative 5, now it gives us what? A negative 5. So it's not giving us what? A positive 5. And then 1 plus negative 5, it's minus 4, guys. So it is not giving us what? Negative 6. But then let us introduce now a negative both side. Okay? You will recall from your operations that a negative times a negative, it gives us what? A positive. Okay? So in this case, negative 1 times negative 5, this one, surely it will give us what? A positive 5. And then if you have negative 1 plus negative 5, if you remember the rules of operation, a positive and a negative, they give us what? A negative. So in this case, we're going to be having a negative 1 minus 6. So this one gives us what? A negative 6. Sorry, here I was supposed to say negative 1 minus 5. It gives us what? A negative 6. So that means our factors that we can use, guys, now is what? It is negative 1 and negative 5. So then you open what? Your two bracket. It is x. Then now it is minus 1 and minus 5. So this is how we can factorize this trinomial. And then you know how to check. You FOIL this one out. And then it should give you what? It should give you the original